Horses out. We have Petrus Blanc. Best to begin. Moving up now. Dapitan to take the lead. Then on the outside now is Misteriosa Mondestar. Sibasip Transfer Factor. Then followed by Gusto Ko Apika. Down on the inside. Kiss Me Gently. Gold Baron and Love Tail is the early trailer. We have Dapitan by Raleng Ganehapa. Mondestar in second, Petrus Blanc in third, moving up on the outside port, Misteriosa. Sibasib is racing in fifth, Transfer Factor, Kiss Me Gently. Moving up on the outside, Gusto Ko, Happy Ka, Laptail, and Gold Baron. And it's still Dapitan, Mondestar is on the outside, Misteriosa alongside third, Petrus Blanc in fourth. Transfer Factor is racing in fifth, then followed by number 2, Kiss Me Gently. Sibasib, Gold Baron, Laptail, and Gusto Ko. Happy Ka now racing in last. And it's still Dapitan by about 3 for Balenga. Mondestar is on the outside second. Moving up Petrus Blanca. And on the outside is Misteriosa as they come down at the last 150. Dapitan still in front. And on the outside is moving up Mondestar. Petrus Blanca in the middle. Last 75 meters. Dapitan now strides away. And finally, Dapitan, Mondestar, Petrus Blanc, Gold Baron, Transfer Factor, Misteriosa, Kiss Me Gently, Sibasib, Laptail, and Gusto Ko.